Here is how to add affiliate links to your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial in doing so. I will walk you through it, exactly how to do it and how to customize things to your preference. Now this is going to obviously help your Shopify store by a lot and obviously selling your products because you're going to have more space in promoting these products and having other people promote it, influencers, that kind of thing, and they will get a cut, but you will end up getting more sales, which is the most important thing about it. Now, setting things up for this is going to be not as difficult as you think it is. It is actually quite easy, but you will need a third-party application. So let's actually get to the video and showcase how to set things up. So you will need to go to your Shopify dashboard here, and then you will need to go ahead and click on Add Apps or just go to the Shopify App Store. So if we just click on here, it should take us to the Shopify App Store, and then from here we will type in affiliate. Now there's going to be plenty of apps in here, but we are going to be focusing on one which I highly recommend for you as well. You will find GoAff Pro, Simple Affiliate, and others. Now keep in mind they do have free plans, or some they don't. So that's something that you will need to keep in mind. But the one that we will be talking about and I recommend for you is going to be Up Promote, built for Shopify affiliate marketing. So if we just click on that, it does include a free plan, but it does also have paid services or plans for extra referrals and other things as well. And you can first try out the free plan, and then if you like it and it works for you, then you can upgrade to one of these plans. So you can see it offers 3 other plans: the Grow, Professional, and Enterprise. And most notably here, for the free one, you will get the ability to approve and deny 200 referrals per month. You will have unlimited affiliates, but the approve or denial part of things, you will only have 200 a month. If you upgrade to the second one, you will have 300, and so on. Feel free to get to this page and compare all the plans all together, and you can see which one suits you best. But I highly suggest that you start out with the free plan first. So let's actually go ahead and install it real quick. So we just click on install, and then we just confirm the installation and create an account. So here we can confirm our installation, and then it's going to ask us about some information about our account, like in here. It should load up, yeah, first name, last name, and email, and so on. So I will fill those in real quick, and I will get back to you once I'm done. Once you sign up and enter your information, you will be asked 2 more questions. One is about how many affiliates you have, that kind of stuff. And then the other is going to be what you are selling. So if it's jewelry or clothes or that kind of stuff. So you just, after those 2 questions, you will find yourself within the setup here. So here you'll be able to set up your affiliate program. So you get the 2 tracking methods. So affiliate link, which is obviously the default. And then you can also set up affiliate coupons if you want, which I will not. And then it will ask you the commission type. So whether it's going to be percent of sale, flat rate per item, or flat rate per order. Now, I recommend that you start off by just doing percent of sale, unless you know exactly what you're doing with per item or per order. It's completely up to you, but I think percentage is best. And then you will obviously enter the amount. So whether it's going to be 10% and so on. Now, you want to entice people to actually promote it, so keep it at 10 or above. Don't go lower than that unless, again, you know what you're doing, just to start things off. And then you can obviously change all of those things later on as you move forward. So once you're happy with your percentage and commission type and all of those things, you just go ahead and save and exit. And then you will have to create an affiliate account. Well, you need to set up your email basically. Simply just click on create account, and then you will just enter password and stuff here. So let me just do that real quick. And then you just go ahead and activate. It's going to be a test account, by the way. It does say so. If I just go back here, you can see enable your test account and see how things go. And your test affiliate account was created with. So it's going to be a test account for now. So we need to just activate it. So let's do so. We click on it and then we click on actions here and then we just close things off and we click on next. It's very simple. And then you will obviously get referral orders here. So test the tracking system, and here you can test your affiliate link here. So you'll be given a link that you can just copy and test the tracking for it. So to test this, just go ahead and open the link. I will open it with a new tab, and it's going to take us to the store. So it is working. So once that's done, you just go ahead and click on next if you want to see an example, but let's just go next here. And then you will do the manual payouts, whether it's PayPal, bank transfer, whatever it may be. Let's just do PayPal for now. And then we just go ahead and save and finish. By the way, it does the premium plan does give you a auto payments for Shopify, so you can see all about that. Once you get to the dashboard, you just go ahead and click on promote affiliate, which is the app itself, and you should find yourself with a step-by-step on. If you just click on get started, it will tell you how to work things out. It's very simple. Basically what you will need to do first is go ahead and find this the edit default program, and you can just go ahead and edit program. Here's going to be the settings where you can set things up to your needs. So the name of the affiliate program, obviously you will name this something that is related to you and your brand, and then the description as well, something along these lines, like the default, but obviously just make it more of you. And then you can set up things like the rule, which is a fixed commission that we just talked about, that you can change later on. You can change it from here. And then you can do exclude shipping from commission and all of those things. So you will find a lot of things to set up in here, like payment methods and so on. And a lot of things are going to be behind the subscriptions. So keep that in mind. So with that all done and stuff, we just go back and actually set up our registration form, which first they give us the link, which we will obviously copy to our store and just promote it all we want. And this is how it's going to look by default. If we just copy the link, have it in here, this is how it's going to look by default, but we can obviously edit everything within it. To do so, it's very simple. You just go ahead and go to this link over here, and you can see customize your affiliate registration form. You just click on this registration form, and it's going to give you the editor here, so you can edit everything from within here. It's not a block kind of editor. It's a little bit different, where you will need to go to the left here. For example, first select a font, select a background if you want to have a background image or color, completely up to you. But if you want to change the text, you just locate it. So for example, this is the header, so we just go for logo and title here, and we will find the join our affiliate program. We can just change it to welcome to whatever. So we can just change it like so. And then we can also show logo and upload our own logo from here. Let me just go back real quick. So it is going to be from the actual settings. If we go back to our setting things up here, you get a lot more, like every field you can obviously adjust and stuff same way. So sidebar, you can adjust it and you can change the text in here, like my store to something else, completely up to you. And you can just click on all of those things and change them. So after you are done, you will need to go ahead and actually publish the registration form to your website, as well as just promote it everywhere you want. And then you're going to have also more steps to do. So the things that you can do is set up a refer a friend program, which is going to be a paid service. Expand network with post purchase pop-up, which is very nice. It's after somebody purchases something from your store, they're going to be asked to, get like become an affiliate and just promote your products, which is going to drive a lot of traffic in. And you can also see the overview with affiliates, clicks, and so on. And just, follow these steps from get started, and it's going to just click on any of them. It's going to take you to what you need to do. Once you finish this, you go to the next one. You will obviously upload your media, like logos and stuff. Next up, you go ahead and edit email templates and so on. It's very simple, and it's going to be very powerful for your store. And you can see a lot of things here that you can work on: programs, affiliates, which is going to show you a list of all the affiliates that you have. Here's going to be all the referrals, payouts, once you have those, hopefully soon, motivation, outreach, and so on. Also analytics to see how things are going, so you can compare before and after. So this is basically how to work things out for up promote for affiliate links in your Shopify store. I hope you liked this video and it helped you out. Again, just follow the simple steps. It's very, very easy to do. And everything that you have, you can edit to your brand name and brand style. So like the registration form, I showed you how to change that, how to edit things out for it. It's very simple and easy, and it's going to be very powerful, like I said. So I guess that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.